I hope you all are doing fine with the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Welcome to Alia's Kitchen. There are only 10 days left in Ramadan. How exciting! I am anxiously waiting for Ramadan and I am sure that you all are waiting for that. Our today's recipe is chicken spring roll. You can make a big batch of it and freeze before Ramadan. And don't forget to remember me in your prayers when you will eat, inshallah. So let's start our ingredients now. So here are our ingredients now. This is half pound chicken cut into stripes. This is oil for frying, half cup of water, 1 cup of shredded carrots, 1 cup of julienne cut bell pepper, 1 cup of julienne cut cabbage, 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, half teaspoon of chili flakes. This is 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, half teaspoon of salt which we will use in frying vegetables. A spring roll sheets, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of water. So let's start our recipe now. Yes, viewers. So now we are cooking chicken. So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we are adding half pound chicken which I cut into stripes, adding in this one. Bismillah. I turned the burner on and now we are adding 1 to 1.5 cup of water. Bismillah. You can add half to 1 cup or half to 1.5 cup. So we have to add that much water so the chicken will cook in that water and dry it up, as we are not adding any oil in that. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is 1 tablespoon ginger paste, 1 tablespoon garlic paste. This is salt. Bismillah. 1 teaspoon of salt. So Bismillah. Let it cook till the chicken get tender and all the water is dried up. So then we will shred it afterwards. So we are covering it up and let it cook till the chicken get tender. So let's open it up and chicken is fully cooked. See, all the water is dried up and as you can see. So let it cool down a little bit and then we will shred it. Now chicken is cooled down and we can shred like this with the fork, or we can use hands like this. It will be so quick. You can see the chicken is so tender, so it will be like a julienne kind of, because our all vegetables are julienne cut. So the chicken will be like this. So it is all shredded and now we will cook it with the vegetables. And we are turning on the burner on medium to high flame. And now we are adding 1 cup of shredded cabbage. Bismillah. Now we are adding 1 cup of shredded carrots. Bismillah. Now we are adding 1 cup of julienne cut bell pepper. Bismillah. Just mix it up for few seconds and then we will add our shredded chicken, boiled shredded chicken. Bismillah. Now we will add 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. Bismillah. Now we are adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. Now we are adding 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 1 teaspoon of crushed white pepper, half teaspoon of salt. Salt is according to your own taste. and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Bismillah. We will saute it for 2 minutes. So all the spices will get mixed. And you can see what a beautiful color and aroma is coming, mashallah. And now we will turn off the burner and let it cool down for 10 to 15 minutes. So then we will make the rolls. We are making sealer for the rolls now. So this is 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Now we are adding 2 tablespoons of water. Bismillah. So we are mixing it, just making a medium consistency paste. It shouldn't be very thick, it shouldn't be very thin. It should be the consistency. So now we are stuffing the rolls. So this is the spring roll sheet. It is like square. Now you have to keep this sheet in this way, in diamond shape, and we are stuffing with this. Bismillah. This way. Okay. Just keep it balanced. Now you have to fold from right or left, from both sides, this, and now at the same time we are just rolling it up. Bismillah. At this time see, it is all sealed. You can use any airtight container for this and then you can directly freeze it. So let me show you the second one so you will understand better. So this is the sheet. You have to keep it in diamond shape and then just stuff it. Spread it in this way and then we will wrap from these two sides, from right and left, and we will just roll it down. Just roll it. So simple. Directly put it over here and make all these rolls. So as you can see, so we will freeze it like this in any airtight container, or you can put in a single layer on any pan and then freeze it, and then you can put it in a Ziploc or in any container. So the oil is hot now and we are frying now. Bismillah. So as you can see, it is halfway done. So we are flipping it off so it will cook and it will evenly fry from both sides. So it will get the very good golden brown color. So at this stage, it is all fried. We are taking this off, turn the burner off, and then just take these out from the oil. Bismillah. Chicken spring rolls are ready now. So please make it at home and enjoy during Ramadan. Please remember me in your prayers and see you next week with a new exciting video. Assalamu alaikum.